Hello everyone, how are you? So, yesterday you have seen how to use the conditional in our code. Today we will see another concepts in the same concepts of conditional, which is the three keywords that are and, or, and not. So we will do a little revision of the lesson of yesterday. So we have seen how to use if in a conditional. So if we add to it a condition and 2 points, and we return to the line with a tabulation, and we write the instruction that we will use if this condition is verified. So here we have three keyword that we have seen yesterday. So if, elif and else. So these three keywords are particularly related to two other words that we call the booleans. So they are especially true. So the T is a big one, is capitulated, and the second is false. F also is a big letter. False. These two keywords are called the boolean values of a condition. So, for example, if we print this comparison between 5 and 3 plus 2, we will find that it is true. But if we have here, for example, minus, we will have false. So this is what we call a condition, and the boolean values false or true. So there is only two values for this values. So today we will see three other important keywords, which are and, or, and not. We'll give you three examples in math to use these three words, and you will use your imagination to use them in other contexts. Good. So let's begin with and. So for example, we know that the divisibility by 6 is given by two conditions. The first is if for example a number, so we'll give here a number, for example a equal, for example, to 12, for example. So if this a is divisible by 2, so this is the first condition, so it must be divided by 2, and a must be divided by 3. So this is the two conditions. So these two conditions must be verified both. So both of them must be verified. So if a is divided by 2 and 3, so print that a is what can I say, is divided, or is a multiple of 6. So here we have to give the true value of a, so we have to write here the value of a. Good. So otherwise, so else, as we have seen it yesterday, else we will print that a is not a multiple of 6. Good. So we'll try 12 and we'll see if it is a multiple of 6 or no. So it is a multiple of 6. So 12, it is a multiple of 6. If we try another, for example, 13, it is not a multiple of 6. So this is how we use this instruction, and is used when the two conditions are or must be verified. If just one is not verified, so the condition is not verified, and we pass to the second condition, else. So here, for example, if we use 14, we know that 14 is multiplied by 2, but it is not multiplied by 3, so it is not a multiple of 6. For example, if we use 9, it is a multiple of 3, but it is not of 2, so it is not a multiple of 6. So this is how we use the construction of AND. Good. Now we see another example, which is the divisibility by 5. So when a number is multiplied or divided by 5, if its unity number is 0 or 5. So this is the condition. So if we take another number, for example 12, we will repeat it. So the condition is if so we will write here another number, which is b, that will be the unity number of a. So how to find the unity number of a? We will use the remainder of a remainder. So we'll take a and divide it by 1,000, and this and the remainder of this division will be also divided by 100, and the remainder of this division will be divided by 10. So here we are the unity number of a. So b is the number of, or is the unity number of a, or the unity digital of a. Good. So what is the condition that we will write? If b is equal to 0, or, so here the or instruction, or the keyword that is or b is equal to 5. So if one of these two instructions is verified, so print that a is divided by 5. If not, so else. If not, print that a is not divided by 5. So we will check the number 12 and we will see if it is a multiple of 5 or not. So it is not divided by 5. So 12, it is not divided by 5. We will see if we have, for example, this number. So this number has a unity digit is 0, so it must be divided by 5. If we try another number with 5 in its unity number or unity digital, so we will have it is divided by 5. So this is how we use the or. So or is verified if the first condition or the second condition or the two conditions are verified. So if one at least is verified, so the condition is verified. If the two are not, or all the construction, because we can add another or here and another condition if another condition are written here. So if we have only one condition verified, so the condition or the if will be, the instruction of if will be will function. If not, or if all of the condition are false, so this condition is false. Good. Now we'll see how to write the definition of a odd number. So an odd number is a number which is not divided by 2. So we'll give here a number, for example 7. So if not a divided by 2, so what we will print? We will print that a is odd, else we will print that a is even. Good. So here we have an instruction and its negation. So the instruction say that a is even, but with not here, that mean that the number is odd, which means that it is not divided by 2. So here we see 7, it is odd or even, so it is an odd number. If we try here another number, so it is an even number. So this is how we use the not instruction. So the not instruction give us the opposite of this condition. So if this condition is true, with not will be false. If it is false, with not will be true. So it is the opposite. So this is what we have for today. So we have seen how to use the 3 keywords, which are and, or, and not, and how to use them and to put them in the code, especially with conditional statements with if, and we can also use it with elif instruction. So thank you for watching this session. If you have any question, you can put them in the comments. Don't forget to share this video and to put the like button. Thank you very much and see you in the next session.